Hey everyone, are you seeing the error DF-DFERH-01 on the Google Play Store that says error retrieving information from server? This DF-DFERH-01 error typically points to a temporary connectivity issue or a data corruption problem within the Google Play Store and related services. But don't worry, it's a common issue, and in this video I'll show you how to fix it step by step. So let's get started. Before starting, verify internet connection and restart your device. Ensure your device has a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Solution 1. Clear cache and data for Play Store. Open your phone settings. Go to App or Apps and Notifications. Find and tap on Google Play Store. Tap Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache. Then tap Clear Storage. Now reopen the Play Store and check if it works. Solution 2. Update Google Play Store. Open the Google Play Store app, tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then tap on About. Tap the Play Store version. Now you can see Update option. Tap on it. If it's already updated, it'll show you this message. If it's not, then it'll update the app. Solution 3. Disable VPN/proxy. If you're utilizing a VPN or proxy service, it may interfere with Google's server communication. Temporarily disable any active VPN or proxy connections on your device. After disabling, attempt to access the Play Store again. If this resolves the issue, you may need to adjust your VPN settings or try a different server/service. These steps should effectively resolve the Google Play Store error DF-DFERH-01. If this instructional video has proven beneficial, kindly consider providing a like and subscribing to our channel for further technical guidance. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care.